I hope you are doing great. So a quick advice from us to you, and we won't stop preaching the truth about this business for those that are interested in hearing the truth. See, we keep telling farmers, if you want to make money from this business, you must be ready to feed your fishes. You must be ready to give them the right amount of feed. You can't short feed your fish and expect miracle on your harvest day. It is not possible. It is not possible. If you want to make money from this business, be ready to feed your fishes with the right amount of feed. Fine, we all know the price of feed is going up every day. The best thing you can do is to stock according to your pocket. Stock fishes according to the amount of feed that is available. Stock fishes you can feed. Stock fishes you have the money to buy their feed, to raise them to a reasonable size and sell off and make profit. So that will be that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button.